Hey everybody, welcome back. Alex with Intrepid Air here, and we're working in Boca Raton, Florida today. So we've got a customer here who is going to need a little bit of work done to their return air situation. This customer had put an addition onto the house, so now there's a little bit of more house under air. As a result, we need to do something about the situation with the return because this particular return is, I think, completely undersized. At the same time, if you look here, you're going to see that there's very little space here, and it's almost as if it's restricted. Now, I already think that the air conditioner is already slightly under capacity for the house, and you don't want to create any kind of choke points in the airflow. Remember, air in, air out. So the air conditioner is not going to work if one of those, either the supply or the return, are getting kinked up or blocked up, or there's any kind of restriction. So what we're going to be able to do here is that we're not going to mess with this because we don't really have much space. What we are going to do is that we are going to install a new, we're going to install, a new and then an additional return, and we're going to do that in the box right here. So because this is a package unit, you've got the supply going up into the attic, but you've got the return running through this closet. So we kind of have no choice. It's not a great situation. Ideally, we would have had a bigger return in the hallway, but we can't do that. So we're going to make the best of what we have, and we're going to install this 12 by 12 return grill right here, and hopefully improve the situation for the house and for the air conditioner.